No, no. GHETV.
You may know me. This is Suda Joy from ECIPS Music Festival. And ECIPS is spice spelled backwards. So it arrived from my profession, which is cooking and baking. So we handle a lot of spices. And then with the type of show we're having on the 28th of August, it's like a flavorful show. So it's like spice. You know, we include the R&B, we include the hip hop, the Latin, the soca, and of course our reggae. So we have a lot of these big stars on, which is AKON, of course. You know, is a class act. You know, AKON is a humanitarian. And on that day, AKON will be getting the Presidential Humanitarian Award from our 44th President, Barack Obama. So given by the U.S. Ambassador on my stage, yes, an ECIPS stage. ECIPS is not just a reggae festival. It's not a Jamaican festival. It's everybody's festival. You know, it's a music festival for the whole community. ECIPS is, we are promoting unity in the community for everybody to come together because we have a lot of Africans, Spanish, you know, all these different type of Caribbean people, but they've never been in the park at the same time because there's no artist on the bill for them. So now I need, and our ECIP, I should say, is changing that situation, you know. So it's all up that day. We just want you to go get your ticket on ecipmusicfestival.com or eventbrite.com or all the outlets. We have a lot of outlets in Brooklyn. We have outlets in Queens. You know, Brooklyn, you can go to Tasty Delicious. You can go to All Silver Cross. You can go to Topaz. And in Queens, we have VP Records. We have Genesis One Restaurant. We have Breeze's Island Grill in Rosedale. We have the Door Restaurant. You know, Long Island, we have Jules Cafe. We have Sam's Caribbean Market. You know, the Bronx, of course, Dale from People's Choice Furniture and Moody's Records. You know, so we have a lot of, in Westchester, you have Omar the Flagman. Can't leave out Omar the Flagman, doulas, you know. And this is, yes, this is my driver, this beautiful rock van that takes me everywhere and very protective. I'm a bodyguard. I have to start cutting Martin, you know, as bodyguard and everything. So I'm going to make you talk to him a little bit because I have some people away from me too. So nice talking to you guys. And we want you guys to come out for the festival. And this is BETV. Big up yourself. A BETV will say all the way. Come on, do that.
Where is it? BETV. That them say no. You say it there. 28th of August. Couple more days, people. We're going to get on the ticket from now. Everyone who see the van, or who see my van, you can get the early bird ticket, $60. So we're going to go ahead and get on the ticket now. It's a big event. They are like community people. Don't just come out and come enjoy yourself. One love.